What happened, Datta? Okay, I will go to next. Just wait, Datta. I will call you later. Yeah, mute your audio. Pradyumn, open your video. A question for you. Why was there great joy in Naina's house? Pradyumn,
Sir, is Dean present?
he is present. Just he can see you. Pradyumn, just respond to me. Don't interrupt. To whom I am calling, they have to answer me. Pradyumn, are you here? Respond to me. Next. Sahasra, you can answer it. Why was there
Sir,
great
can
joy
you
in
ask
Naina's?
again once?
Yeah, the question for you. Why was there great joy in Nina's house?
Because the Nina's aunt was married. There is wedding.
There is wedding of Nina's aunt. That's why there is a joy in Nina's house. Next.
Yes.
Why was Nina worried?
Because the sometimes it can fall down and it can die.
What
That's why
what
she
can
worried.
fall down? What can fall down? What can die? Say completely.
Sometimes the sparrow birds will fall down and it can die. That's why she worried.
Okay. So just what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding?
She find two. There are babies now. They became big. It is the two sparrows are flying in the room.
Yeah. The two sparrows are enjoying in the room that Nina observed. Okay. Yeah. You can mute your video. Next. Sahasra.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Why was Nina worried?
Uh, Nina was worried for the baby sparrow. She thought if they go outside, how the parents of the babies will find their children.
Sahasra, first of all, open your video. Just unmute your video.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just open. Yeah. Now you can say answer. Next question. What did mother suggest to Neha?
She
What did mother?
suggests. She said, we will open window and uh,
Sahasra, are you
she
looking
said,
at your book?
no, sir.
Your eyes are looking at your book and just look at camera and you can say your answer.
She said, we will open windows and it will be happy, she said, sir. The parents will come and it will be happy, she said.
Sahasra, where is the marriage? Where is Nina's aunt marriage?
Delhi, sir.
Very
Delhi.
good, very good. Yeah, yeah, okay. Just mute your, close your video. Next, Anish.
Sir,
Yeah, the question for you. Why was there great joy in Nina's house?
what, sir?
Why was there great joy in Nina's house? Don't look at here and there. Are you in the class last time?
No, sir.
Then how can you answer? It means you are not
Sir,
following my classes. Yes, Sasra.
sir, he is in the class today.
Yeah, he's in the class, but he's saying I'm not in the class. Okay, yeah, I can go to next. Vardhan, Arshavardhan.
Sir,
Why was Nina worried?
say, the baby parrot will die.
Okay, Nina is worrying about the baby sparrows. Okay. Harshvardhan, can you say where are the baby sparrows in Nina's house?
In table, on the table.
Yeah, not on the table exactly. Exactly. Actually, sparrows on the bookshelf. Okay. Where is the marriage of Nina's aunt?
In Delhi.
In Delhi. Okay. Well, well. Next, Majida. Majida, just open your video. The question for you: why was Nina worried about the sparrows? Okay.
The mother can feed.
Repeat your answer. I did not get.
How
I'm
the
asking to
baby
Majida.
sparrow.
Uh,
How the baby sparrow mother can feed.
okay. Yeah. The Nina is worrying about the sparrows. How the mother or the papa birds can feed the sparrows. Okay. How many baby sparrows are there in the story?
Two.
Two. Why was there great joy in Nina's house?
Said
Why was there great joy in Nina's house?
their uncle's married.
Uncle's not aunt marriage. Okay. Yeah. Mute your video. Archita,
Yes, sir.
what is the meaning of wedding?
Wedding means marriage.
Wedding means marriage. Okay. Whose marriage is going on in the story?
Nina's aunt's marriage going on in story.
Why was Nina worried about?
Why? Because the baby sparrows, mom, dad, how can they come inside?
No, no, no. Nina is worrying about the baby sparrows, about that feeding of the birds. Who can feed and how the mom and papa birds can come inside. Okay. Yeah. Next question for you. What did the mother suggest for Neha? Nina. What did the mother suggest for Nina?
Mother said we will open our window.
Yeah. Good. Next. I hope I asked to all. Yeah. You can mute your video, Archita. So now we can go to the next. Yeah, page number 18. Page number 18. Every one of you just open the textbook, page number 18. Talk time. So every one of you just answer your question. How do baby sparrows eat?
Sir, what?
I can ask a question to you. You have to respond to the question. How do baby sparrows eat?
Seeds.
Who can feed them?
Their mother.
Their mother or father. Okay.
Mother
Yeah.
and
Just
father.
look at my screen. Papa, mama. Is it visible to you, my screen? Nina, baby sparrows.
Yes, sir. Your voice is not clear. Can you tell louder?
There was great joy. Mother suggested that they will let the window open and lock rest of the house. Question number
See, who were not in the last class, just look at the question answers once. After that, we can go to next bits. Okay, just like a revision. Don't miss the classes first. Okay, yeah. Just look at once. After that, we can go to the next bits.
answers. Question 1 is, why was there great joy in Nina's house? Answer is, there was great joy in Nina's house because Nina's aunt was getting married. Question number 2 is, why was Nina worried? Answer is, Nina was worried for the baby sparrows in the nest that would be left hungry if no one remained at home. Question number 3 is, what did mother suggest? Answer is, mother suggested that they will let the window open and lock rest of the house. Question number 4 is, what did Nina find when she came back from the wedding? Answer is, Nina found 2 plump little sparrows flying all over the room. Now it's time.
So those are the 4 questions we have discussed in the last class. Now we are going to discuss page number 18, talk time. Talk time means just only for a discussion. How do baby sparrows eat? Just now we discussed that the baby sparrows can be fed by the parents, mama or papa. You can see here what may be the answer.
Question is, how do baby sparrows eat? Answer is, baby sparrows are fed by their parents into their beaks.
Baby sparrows are fed by their parents into their beaks. They can catch the grains, whatever that the baby sparrows can catch the grains from the parents, mother or father bird. Okay, you can see here, no need not to write these question answers. Just you can remember who can feed parents. Baby sparrows are fed by their parents. Everybody, for example, you can also feed by your parents only. When you are child, your parents can feed you. Now we are eating ourselves. Yeah. So next, here there is a wonderful question for you. Now you should answer yourself. You can also write in the textbook. Second one.
Sparrows can't go outside in search of food, so they are helped by mama and papa sparrows. Next question is, what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? Friends, answer of this question may vary according to your choice. It is
See the question for you that what new things would you like to wear for a wedding? For example, if there is any function, not any function, especially wedding. If anyone's marriage in your relatives or in your home, how can you dress up? What kind of new things can you wear? You have to write in the blank. For example, I would also like to wear. I would like to wear a new jeans and a new shirt. And you have to write what you can wear on a wedding. If any wedding function at your home. Yeah, in that line. Okay,
Sir,
just mute your ass.
Sir, can we write at this? I like to wear frock. Sir?
Sir, I want to write I will wear new dress and new pint. Sir?
A lovely blue dress. If you like orange color dress, whatever that you can write according to your like. Okay, they give example of girl. If you're a girl, you can write like this. If you're a boy, you can write like this. If you're a girl, I would like to wear a lovely blue dress or orange dress, pink dress, whatever it. And new shoes, whatever that. It's preference and answer is yours own. It's open-ended question.
Sir, can we write
Exactly.
like that only?
Yes. If you want to add more, you can add in your textbook. I would like to wear. I would like to wear. Which kind of dress or which color of dress you want to wear, you can write there. What new things would you like to wear for a wedding? See, you have to write only one. If you're girl, you should write girls. If you're boy, you should write boy. Have you written all?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Every one
sir.
of you.
No, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
Yeah. Then all of you have you written all?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes, sir. Number 32.
Can we go to next?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I am going to next. Next, there is a picture story. You have to number the jumbled picture story correctly. Then write the story in a proper order. Actually, there are different order they gave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pictures. We have to arrange these pictures in a order. Then we have to write them as a story in the next page. Yeah. I'm going to next. Can I go?
You can, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Now it's picture story time. Number the jumbled picture story correctly and then write the story in proper order. Now let's read these pictures one by one. Mother says we will leave the window open. Nina is happy again. Nina is sad. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother asks, why?
So, according to the story, what has happened first? According to the story.
Nina is sad.
Very good.
Mother
Nina
says.
is first. Nina
Nina
is
is
sad. After that,
sad.
after that,
Nina is sad.
Mother asks why. Third one. Now,
yes.
again, mother says.
Just wait, just wait.
Mother
What I'm asking,
baby sparrows. First
if
one,
you
mother
shout like this, yes, I will mute you.
said. Second, Meena is happy again. Third,
What
Meena
I'm
is
saying,
sad.
if you shout like this, yes, I will mute you permanent in the class. When I ask that, you should follow my instruction. Okay? Yeah, you know answer. You are trying to say it's okay, but we should not disturb to others. But I'm asking first one, you should say first. You know answers, you are going to all continuously. Just follow me and we can follow one by one. So first one is Nina is sad. After that, second one,
Ask why. Mother asks why, sir.
yes. Second one, mother asks why. After that, third one,
Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone.
alone. Yeah, that is third one. So then the mother suggested her. Mother says we will leave the window open. We will leave the window open. And the final, last one,
Nina
next one.
is happy again.
Yes, Nina is happy again. So we have to write numbers in the circles. Which is first, which is second, which is third, which is fourth, which is fifth. Okay? Yeah.
The first one will be Nina is sad. You have already read the story, and according to the story, first one will be Nina is sad. And second one will be Mother asks why. Third one will be Nina doesn't want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Fourth one will be Mother says we will leave the window open. And the last one will be Nina is happy again.
First write the numbers in the circles.
Finish, sir.
Sir, done.
Finish,
Done.
sir.
Sir,
Sir, done. Finish, sir.
You can say only once. Okay. No one is deaf here.
Sir, done.
Yeah. Now what we have to do after writing the numbers? What we have to do?
We write the story. Write the story
Yes, we
here.
have to write.
The
We
story.
have we have to write the story in page number 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines. We have to write these 5 lines in that. Yeah, you can write. The first one, Nina is sad.
Now let's arrange these jumbled picture story correctly. So the first one will be Nina is sad. Second one will be Mother asks why. Third
Can
one
we
will be
listen?
Nina doesn't
Yes,
want
yes.
to leave the baby sparrows alone. Fourth one will be Mother says we will leave the window open. And fifth one is Nina is happy again.
So we have to write the 5 lines in page number 19.
Sir, now only we have to write.
Now only you have to write. Have you written all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
While you're writing, just read it. Just mute your audio and you can read. Nina is sad. Mother asks why. Nina does not want to leave the baby sparrows alone. Mother says we will leave the windows open. And finally, Nina is happy again.
Sir, completed.
Okay, wait for others.
Sir, mine also.
Sir, which one right?
Who is that? Now you're asking which one right. Write the picture story on page number 19.
Okay, sir.
Just mute your audio. See, you should follow daily my classes. Otherwise, you make confused like this. Just you have to follow. Then you will clear all the concepts. Okay, after writing this, just you can say we have done, sir. Then we can go to next.
We have done.
Yeah, every one of you written this.
No, sir. No, sir.
Just make it fast, Nana. Okay, anyway, you have written numbers in the circles. So you can see there and you can write here. We can go to next. Instead of wasting time, just we can go to next. You can write later also. No issue. Already you have written numbers in the circles. Okay. Now we have one question here. Next one, I'm going next.
Now it's tea time. The question is, would you like to have birds visiting you every day? The answer can be yes.
See, would you like to have birds visiting you every day? Do you like to visit the birds every day at your home? What may be your answer? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So if you want to visit the
Yes,
birds
sir.
every day at your home, what you have to do for what we have to do for the birds? If you want to see the birds at your home,
We have to throw grains.
yeah, we
We
have to
have
give
to grow grains and
water,
etc.
whatever that we have to keep on our house. Then automatically the birds can come and eat that. Okay, we can see here next.
I would like to have birds visiting me every day.
Yes, I would like to have birds.
Friends, try making a bird bath and a feeding corner for birds. You can place a bowl of water in a quiet corner on the school playground. Leave breadcrumbs, grains, etc. for your pets.
See, actually, if you want to visit, if you want to see the birds, you have to arrange this. You have to arrange water for them and the grains, whatever the grains we can find at your home. You have to keep in a bowl. For eating that grains, the birds can come to the place where you have kept. Okay. So water mostly in summer season, especially in summer season, because the birds cannot find water in summer season. You have to arrange the water and the grains for the birds automatically. Every day the birds can come to the place and they can eat and drink water. Okay, can you do this for your birds?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can.
You can keep
Sir,
a
give
bowl.
that only homework.
Okay, I can give you homework here. In page number 19, you have to draw a bird. You can draw whatever your favorite bird, which kind of bird or which bird you like the most. You can draw in the box. And this is also one type of homework for you that you can keep one bowl of water and grains for your birds on your house. Okay, mostly you can keep outside because the birds cannot come inside. We have to keep outside area or on our building open area. We have to keep the water and the grains for the birds. Okay, can you do that?
We can say.
We
Yes,
can.
sir.
Very.
Sir.
And you have to draw
Sir, we can do.
picture of bird also. Okay. Yeah, you can draw and color it.
Okay, sir.
Next we have to do in page number 21. Just open it.
Third friend, in your daily schedule, take out time to put food and water for your feathered friends and get their blessings in return.
Page number 20 also.
Pasta,
Sir.
Page number 20 also.
in your balcony,
Sir, page number 20 also.
Page number 20, that is making a chord. If you are able to do
Sir?
that, you can do that. Yeah.
Sir, page number 20 also.
Page number 20, just you have to prepare a chord. It means you have to prepare one, what we call that, bird. You have to make a bird with a wedding invitation card. Just you can see that you automatically you can do. It's not necessary. We can do later also. No need to do now. If you are interested, you can do that. But the homework for you that only a bird. Okay. Yeah.
and rooftop. Now 8. Drawing time. Let's draw and color. You can pause the video and draw the bird in your copy. You can also draw and color the bird by your choice. Now 8. Word building time. Write down suitable words describing each picture. Pick up the words from the list given below. And the list is beautiful, black, red.
Drawing a bird is a homework for you. And now we have to do that activity, word building, in page number 21. There are few words in the box: beautiful, black, red, happy, tall, fat. Just we have to write in the blanks by seeing the pictures. Okay, it's an easy activity. Just you can write in your textbook.
So now only we have to write.
Just write that. I can present you that. Just keep quiet. If you have any problem, then you can ask me. Yes. Yes. Ask your doubt. What, sir? Your voice is not clear to me. I'm clearly saying the homework for you that just drawing a bird. Any kind of bird you can draw. Okay. Now just
Sir,
you can
drawing
write
part is. Sir,
Drawing part is-
drawing part is homework.
homework. I'm saying from starting, drawing bird is a homework. Okay. Try to listen me first. After that, you can ask
Okay.
the question. Yeah. Anyway, you can write your answers. How is the woman? How is the woman? You can choose any word from
Fat.
art.
Fat.
Rose
Fat.
color.
Happy.
Rose color.
Fat.
Happy Rosa. Red rose.
Fat.
Black woman. Red rose. Happy boy.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Black.
Black boy.
Boy.
Top man. Just write down. Meteor audio.
Sir, can we write in cursive?
Write it, that's it. Cursive or common handwriting, whatever you want, you can write. Just mute your audio, getting disturbance from your side.
In the blank is the word which best describes the picture.
Mute your audio and write.
Sir, a red peacock.
No.
Next sentence is
Red rose, beautiful peacock.
rose.
Just wait, I can present my screen. You can see here.
Red color, so we will use the word red.
Sir, woman is black.
Next word. Now word, and you have to repeat those words. This code is black in color, so we will use word black. Sentence will be a black code. Now next sentence is a dash man. This man is tall, so we will use the word tall. The sentence will be a tall man. Now you have used beautiful.
Simply, fat man, a red rose, a happy boy, a beautiful peacock, a blackboard, a tall man. Yeah, have you written this 5?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you all. So, what is the homework for today?
We have to draw bird.
Sir,
Right?
can you
We
read?
have to give the bird
Okay, okay. You can audio. You can audio. Just I can remind you. I can repeat that. Yeah. The homework for you that just you have to draw a picture in the box, page number 90. Okay. Yeah. Thank you all. Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day. Bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
Yeah. Bye, all of you. Have a great day.